with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey DDT fam, blessed day to you. Look at my back porch. Tell me say me not thankful for country. You see, what is something your name? Grapefruit, them small ones right there, so mangerine. Tell me if you know mangerine, you know about it. These grapefruits and they are very sweet, don't it, Dad?
Yeah, man.
These grapefruits are so sweet. I have lime and I have orange. Orange are the thing where I don't know what now Jamaica, you know. The see size I might arrange them. Yeah. I will not get a lot this year either. Now most of the trees them I don't know through the drought. And a few lime are ground this way, you see them? Whole heap of mangerine, lots and lots of grapefruit. Tell me say me not be thankful. Yeah, and guess what? I forgot to do some cleaning up there. Do some pruning of the tree, find some man for go clean up the place. And even though the place bush alone can't manage, it's still fruitful. So we give God the glory, give God thanks. See me there, this our 3 and 2, 5. I over a dozen orange that and we eat out few already. You know how much for that a market? Must be nearly 1,500 for that or more. So licotine is something like the mangerine them or them the kind of orange me see. So look here. Hello, I'm grateful. So alright now we have jelly there. So that I go cut them jelly here and cover have one jug right there. So that I'll cut jelly more. So then jelly are still. Cut off all of them jelly there. Cover like the jelly water. Wow, that's a lot. Oh yeah, we have the jelly smoothie. Alright, so that's a one in other jug. So we'll see if any meat in them will come more. Yeah. It's a hard coat nut, you see it? You see it? Yeah man. You see when you cut right there, so you see it?
No hard.
Yeah man, and it's a jelly but it's harder than that one there. Can you beat up on that tough part there? Coconut that are farming the Terrence. Come on man. So 6 of them I could say for wow, them not bad, eh? Box cover. Yes sir. Papa Jesus. I'll get the jug more full, you know. This is the natural thing, you know, Parry. Them have something now having no preservative, you know, baby. No food coloring now, then something there when you can't get one of this, you know. Yeah, man. Well, go back, go clean up and do something, but you know, through this year was such a busy year for me. Yeah, see there? Like a number 3 gone in, and daddy my waste 1 bag of water, but he can't do no better still. It look like about the jelly them have Danny a meat in them too, you know, boy.
Yeah.
Jelly meat, we are going to eat jelly meat. Yeah. Take time with your dull machete. About you all machete when you you know, dull man. So from you see it a farm there, so you see it? A farm young coconut. Right there, so. Yeah. About you, don't not machete and give you one. See machete Parry about it. I him not keep them there, you know, see it there. That is number 4. Alright. That now go all 5 in the. Now go all 5, don't? So we are going to put on that one there. And so, me I go drink one. Me I go drink the one there when you cut it. So. Hey, pot we say. Did that 2 go in a pot, but me I go eat. Karen something come. Did that one go in a pot, you know? And Karen something come, making scrape out the jelly meat and put in it. When you have a little country, you see Parry, remember me tell you that's why. You know you can't pick up for me old people them. Blah blah man. You have to pick them up man. Because I couldn't go anybody place, go do that. Because anywhere you live. Anybody have a jelly tree, you can't trouble it. See one there right here, so it's not ours, it's next door. And that close call with here with it too. Because you see my wall, here, and see that right there. So that close call them now whole. So it look like say something wrong with them. I don't know if I hold it by rain or sitting. And since they all have dry coconut pan there too. You think so I could have go pick one and enough gee, we never cut off that limb hang over here, so
Yeah.
it dropped and bounced and come over, and Dad was right here and doing something, and but you know God was good just as he moved, so yeah. So see there, people who own that next door. You can't go pick that. You cannot go and pick that. That is not yours. A matter of fact, I would not. Some people would. Yeah, some little people when I know them, no know themselves, you know. It could hang over here, come home. If me feel joke, me put it and dash it back over next door. Trouble people, something. So look here.
Every time on school come to street.
Yep. So that back up wrong. So chop them up now. Me a step back. You know, it's a jelly stain, Terence. Yeah.
Here, so.
Which part?
Oops.
You lose the jelly work. You know, comment and tell me if that lose the jelly work. Sylvita, comment. I go jelly meat this, you know.
Yeah.
Real jelly meat this, you know, Parry. Yeah. Take out the piece. That brown part that it stain. That's all. That it stain your clothes. But the people don't know it's a jelly stain. So we are here. We are going to wash off front and back here. So to the whole rain from where there. Make the place green. So we are going to scrub it off with some bleach and something more. Feel like I eat some jerk chicken though. I jerk pan out this so just idle. Hungry for some jerk chicken in a party. That I scrape out jelly meat. And me a banana. Banana them fine though deep.
Yeah.
Banana porridge, banana everything. And so me have my whole heap cinnamon leaf right there. So everything natural. You hear me I tell you no? Everything at the storeroom is what me not going no further in there. Because the first time I go in there, I see a ground lizard. Not ground lizard, a croaker. Oh, come wipe off that grill.
I don't see no ground lizard over here. No see? Told you to find ground lizard still. Step back.
Comment that lose the jelly working, because it's supposed to center the jelly. Oh, bad Jesus. That one here, this not have not much in it, in the. So see there, the rest them out here, so we're trying to get these jelly meat out. And you go a road, you go a road and see people and buy the one jelly and ask the jelly man then if cut it out and put it in a bag and I go with it. Then feel like them a creme de la creme, you know. There mustn't think coming like nothing in a country to we in a party when we grow up, you know. And to be honest, me I tell you the truth, me not jelly lover, you know. If me feel for it and me see it and me get it, but for go road and take money buy jelly, that not happen. Because me not like it like that, for go take my money buy it. Whoa, you know, center them. Lose the work. Yeah. This can make smoothie, you know. Smoothie. Can make a jelly smoothie with this, with the coconut milk and the cook. I think I did it already on the cooking channel. Not superb. Which channel me do it on? Me no want none of them fly the inside. This can make you can make milkshake, coconut milkshake, and you can make coconut smoothie. I think I did it already with the jelly meat, frozen jelly meat, but you have to put the coconut milk through a process. Yeah, nice jelly smoothie. I think so. I'm gonna link that video for you. I'm gonna link that video the phone. I don't remember which channel I do it for, but I know I do it. I don't know if it's I did it for Patreon and I do it as a shorts. I don't remember. But jelly smoothie. But comment and tell me. Jelly smoothie, man, yeah. Real thing. No, me not add nothing to it. Real coconut milk and the frozen jelly meat. And I use it, I don't remember. But if anybody here watching this video, when you watch it, you can let me know if I clean up them, if I put out not garbage. Wow, that one here, Smithy. Meat. Yeah, forget that one here. That one here. You don't lose that one here, but did I rest them? So far you lose them. That I just pick up cool and go eat in her house. She love them something. You don't love the jelly meat or you love the jelly water. You don't know where you love. For you just this minute you love something and the next minute you don't love it. You know where you really love. Honestly, Parry, me I telling you the truth, me never. I mean know people are gonna say, what Debbie? I have never felt like, you know, somebody else, I feel like when I drink a jelly. No, so I never feel so yet. Me never feel so yet. This a ton hard coconut now. I teach you something in a party. You see that? That a past jelly stage. Hold it up, turn it around that. See that? You see that? That a ton hard coconut now. That me I tell you, you know. That another jelly again. You see it? Wanna see it? You see? Yeah. That a hard coconut it a turn now. Yeah. Alright. So I wanna learn something today. That another jelly again. See? You see the cup? Or it a sit down rolling in the cup. Like where you have to ox it out. Yeah. I also did on this channel the different stages of the coconut too. So me I go link the video, then I can go back go watch it. Yeah. So okay guys, this is the mandarin. This is what it looks like. Almost like tangerine. Where did I say the difference be?
One bigger.
The
totally
tangerine.
bigger,
So my
total.
tangerine a little bit too.
Very rare.
Oh, the taste. What about the taste? It have a funny. It have.
No, the smell, or you call it, the fragrance.
Make me taste one. Yeah. Kind of different from the tangerine.
This
it have
one's
a,
stronger.
Yeah, me think so too. Give me a piece. Me just want one peg. Peg it. Yeah, that one you have one really. Me tell you, man. It's sweet. Master God. No, sir. You ever know something like sweet? And sweet is like
Sweet,
this.
yeah.
Yeah. It's a pie. Oh, sweet. Yeah, so this is the mandarin. Tangerine tree them. I'm gonna be this here. And then I peel on grapefruit in about time. I will do them up on grapefruit and juice out some.
Juice them.
That love grapefruit. But now them people say them not eat grapefruit because this, that and the dance and so. Doctor said them not eat grapefruit and so. People think we always eat. I don't know about that. And dad always eat it in there.
Yeah, man.
Some people it open them appetite and some people make them lose weight. Natural citrus them, you know. Not them cold time. I recommend mandarin and sweet. But for some reason, I feel like the mandarin. I have to go Google it. For grapefruit, they are really sweet, man. Take off the top for me, no? Always sweet. Always sweet. And I'm going to take out the belly part of it,
Yeah.
and put condensed milk in it. And serve it with breakfast. Who remember that?
And this you can peg it, you know. Take out the
Yeah, but 2 minutes in a condensed milk much again. But me can remember, right? Every morning, but she named they used to get, and he was diabetic. So every morning, she cut out the milk, but always make it cool. If I eat, me use this and just wash down everything that I said there. Kuya Pari, me not even did remember so we get ripe banana. And Dad did peel the cane them. You see them? You see the color them then turn a pear rum that you know we eat that I put them in the fridge. Them nice. So rum that you know. Pear rum. Who know about cane, sugar cane. And see me have banana right there so. And then when you're overripe, I'm gonna mash them up to make one banana bread or some banana cupcake later. Yep, I didn't remember that I got these. Yeah. I have to give thanks. I have to give thanks. I'm grateful for my old people them. And that's why I have to make sure say I go up there go take care of my place. Yeah, sometimes I don't even get the time like from with there. But give thanks and be grateful. Yeah. Vehicle pass Pari. I was showing this to you some we just got here that I don't but the one in my country for somehow them look taller. Like, I don't know. Normally they look taller to me. And these things can stay out. Them are out long time, the sun burn them out. These, you see? Them have different, like all this now. This now burn out. And then can be redder than this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick one bunch of this. And I'm going to show you how back some of the things that we used back then as children to make little stuff. We were, you know, things were just different. Them are picking nowadays, them don't ever care. Them not care about nothing. Right here, so I want to kind of level off though.
Yeah.
Yeah. And get the edge cutter and level it off and something. So we have all of this, and this was one of the snake plant where Dad did plant. It dry back in. This nice, you say it come up, and when me did tell us, yeah. You see this way you cut, remember that tell us, don't cut it off, because, so we have to go take that back from the root, take this back from the root and take this, and everybody we are going to have a nice pretty snake plant and go and mulch up. But look how the rain fall already and look how it's something there now. Yeah, so me I go know a little thing there. So I think my girl something I want to ship it out to pretty light at night time. We have this too. We have this and we have some St. Mary too. Same color. And so I'm not going to frog in the car frog. We have frog. Yeah. And these, you know, this time of the year, these really bloom. Right. Oh, that bloom.
But that.
That.
Oh, yeah.
But that two different something in it, you know. You see, when you go in the car, you know, for life, one me very nice from you. Far we have frog and mangoes. Yeah, so there's them purple and something, and this is the same thing though?
Same thing, yeah.
No, I mean the two color, the two tone, something if a different something.
No, man.
The one we have the green, this that different from
this one?
The green and white, is it different?
Yeah, the green
Or
and
they
white.
just put together and then come up together? One something?
Yeah,
Yeah,
two
that.
different something.
Two different something?
Yeah, two different
So
something.
which one bloom the pretty something?
This.
Oh, so the other one no grow. So that means I have to go get a plant.
Give me a bit bloom, but you're not ready for bloom yet.
Oh, you know it bloom.
I'm not sure, you know, but probably.
Why then I look how the rain fall there, which part sun come to dry back the place too. So we have the yellow, so yellow to this side, see the yellow. These are the yellow and these are the pink. These are the pink and we have the yellow. But it not do good though, I want feed problem.
Yeah, it
One bloom up and so.
very cool. Probably born on one.
That did bloom again in the rain right there and it never now go over there. Over there problem. Oh wow, this come up nice in there.
Yeah.
Look why you cut it off and bring it up back. It come up nice. Yeah. That one that part me I put it on. I frog that over there so come. Me not Saturday I love it. You come.
No problem.
Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the something my mom give me. Go on over there. Wow. Look at this. She said to me, say, they want the bloom Christmas time. See it here? Look at it. Look how pretty it is. But them not stay on. Wow. These are come up and these are the buds family. See them right here. So the red something them.
No.
Them here will drop around. Them red something here is it. Oh. Oh, these are the rose. Oh, so this just a petal up. Oh. I don't know, I did when we go to country, we did go on the family channel.
And this are the water grass.
This is not no red water grass. No, it's not. No, this is a plant. This is not red water grass. No, this is not the red water grass medicine sitting there.
Okay.
So me notice how this come up. I usually take it up from this and plant it there. So this is a hanging plant. Yeah. Me go get some of them put in a hanging pot and pan the girl. But this parry, I did go St. Elizabeth, I did go St. Elizabeth and mom, the lady, but I never put the camera up on the lady. You know, cause this is somebody coming and comment and said, thought you was gonna show us where and who you. I said, no, you just, and not everybody place you go, and everybody want them. You can't just go and put up people in your camera, so I not in that. So these are the petals. She just, when people give something with a good art, you know?
Yeah.
And she tell me, say, I want the Christmas time, and she said, when Christmas come, me go see how pretty it is. So Parry, these, anybody familiar with this can tell me. Them are the little blooming them, so we are wait to see them up now. And oh wow, this come up nice indeed.
Right.
Wow, this come up nice. I'll get a plant out of it for Cara St. Mary. But come now, you know me not understand a new type of puss. Them I puss mess, you say, you know.
I dirt. Look like a worm.
But me I smell puss mess. Them I puss nowadays. Them not cover up them mess. And this is one pear. You forgot the pear with you when you go up. Carry the pear up here, then you forgot. So them I chew you up and down from where there. So these are the rose them. Different type of rose bush and so. Yeah. And yeah, I eat that. Next clip.
Aloe vera.
Yeah, then this here. So this is different literally from that right one down there. So you know, this is nice. And this is like I don't remember what they call them on there, but this is nice. But this look like it love the hot time. You have to give them a water, but they love the hot time. But them get water, meanwhile we always have fear water. They don't get water. Look, this is just one pot. We have to take out some of them. Yeah, we have to take out some of them. We take out the too much and then the sun did depend on. We have to take out a lot of them. Can just we do a transplanting. If I get some pot, when I do it, I show no that. And oh yes, so broke up.
So it's you can see.
Okay. And we but comment, Parry, for some reason the ones in the country, the part from here to here is smaller, is taller. Comment if you don't know. I mean, no, I think we did hear somebody say so. These are some little things. This is like a back then thing when we were kids. Girls, I think boys did it too. You know? But no, everything changed. So these were out there a long time. So me know Cobb, she don't know them. They don't know them as sitting there. So we would, we never, this is how it looks before it opens, you see? You saw it open right there, so this is how it look when it open right here. So that little part here open, it would have just look like this. So yeah, so these are the things. We will never have no tablet and no iPhone. See, these not open yet. We never have no tablet and no iPhone and all them thing there. These are things that we use for recreation, you know, make little things and go a school project the answer. So what will you do? Why me not even know I must stand with a whole ear, so you're the panic good. And there, this here you see hanging out right here. Oh Lord, me tell you say, alright, so one here. This here, it comes right through this little fine stem, this part here. So I'm gonna show you how we used to, you can, I don't know if the camera will pick up this, you see that? It come right through. You see this little long part? It come right through. Alright, so we're gonna pick off our next one. I don't know, but the one in my country did look bigger to me. I don't remember pulling it from the bottom, you know, but no can comment. Remember pulling it from the top. But these have been open out. We would have do for the one that will just open out. These have been out there so long. So I think I might have to get one that has been the one in my country different. Yeah, alright. So we pull through that. So we suppose these are quite different though. Different. These are smaller. So we would use right here to put through this little part right here. But comment, me know say only for people. Yeah, the one in my country bigger. They are big. Taller and bigger. They're not little like them. Yeah. So we would use right here. It's supposed to go. But I'm not, me see it, but alright. So you see we get that in there. Let's see if we can get and to go right around and to make a little bracelet. And while I'm doing this and showing you Parry, anybody remember? And then we're gonna stick this one in there too. You see that? You see that? So I'm gonna see if I can get a bracelet make, go around with someone, come round, and then next clip me show you. Parry, this is what it would look like. You remember this? And we would build necklaces too, and we'd use make rings. But these have been out there since we moved here, so the sun burned them. So they are very delicate. And as I told you before, things and time change. Because the ones that we have in the country, they are taller, they are broader, the petals are broader, and the little hole right at the top there is way bigger. But this is what we would do back then as children. If you remember this, comment. I tell you some face now got in a video because I just woke up and, you know, hear and all of that, and so you know it go. Yeah. So if you remember this, comment and let me know. Me show you how I start do it, you know. These are not firm. You see them, the sun burn them, so they're kind of delicate. But that is what I wanted to show you. And these are much smaller. The one, what I do when I go back to St. Mary, these are always in bloom, it seems, this one here. But the ones that we have in St. Mary, they are not always in bloom. They are taller, they are easily, you can put them together easy. This is a little tricky. Not really tricky, it takes a little time, but I think that is because they have been out there and the sun burned them and then just lose all of them little, you know, and so on. So yeah, back then country is the best comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. And remember, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. And one last thing, if you have your little place or country when old people them pass and gone, yes, sometimes you have some siblings them not tap war, you know. Tap war and fight. But look here, if you can go pay up the taxes, clean up the place, fix up the local old house, fix it up, at when you come to Jamaica, you can jam there. Or if you don't want jam there, but you don't know whatever the reason, to make them spirit feel good. And you know, yeah, try. Because look here, when time we know, when we go there, so and I pick a coconut, I pick a jelly, pick a breadfruit, nobody can chat to we. So thanks for watching.